Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a scrapbooking challenge for the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club. So you will have just seen the recipe that I had decided to come up with for my challenge, and I am super happy with how it turned out. And I do need to apologize about today's video because once I sat down to edit, I realized that my video software cut out after about 7 minutes of making this layout. So you'll see maybe about half of the layout process, and then at the end I will have the photos of how it turned out. I apologize, I'm really sorry. So all I have is about 5.5 minutes of footage. I did speed it up a little bit, but not too much because I did want to talk about my challenge. So here you can see I have 2 photos. So my recipe does include using 2 photos, any size. I don't care. You can use 3x4 like I'm using, or you could do 2 4x6s. I am only making a 6x8, and so that's the reason why I went with 2 3x4s. Then another part of my recipe is to use 4 pattern papers. So I am cutting up the background piece of paper right now. So that's going to be 1. And then I'm going to mat the photos on the gingham, and it's a gingham pink pattern paper, and then also that pink striped pattern paper. So then that'll be 3. And then I am going to use a 4th piece of paper to embellish at the top, and you'll see that in the photos. So here I'm going to glue down this one photo. So this is my niece. She just turned 1, and she is just so adorable. So my little brother had her. This is his daughter, and they live in California, so I actually haven't even met her yet. But I have, my sister-in-law is really good about sharing photos, and so I ask her to send me photos all the time so that I can scrapbook her kids because they are just adorable. So here you can see I decide to just mat the one photo on the left, and then this one on the right, I am going to do a bigger mat, and then I'm going to tear the paper, and I really love how that turns out. So the third piece of the recipe is to use a sticker as part of your title. So you can use it as your whole title. You could use it as part of your title. You could use stickers and write out your title, but really what I wanted you to do was pick a sticker, phrase, or something like that and use that as part of your title. So I'm going to use one of the puffy stickers. I think I forgot to say this, but I am using my May kit for the Scrapbooking Store, and it is just gorgeous. Keep your eye out for my video that's going to post tomorrow, which is going to be sharing the kit, which is super exciting and has a little announcement for the Scrapbooking Store. I'm so excited for them. Okay, then the 4th little recipe is 2 shapes as embellishments. So what I end up using are hearts and flowers. In the kit, there are lots of flowers and hearts and stars and things. And so I decided to go with hearts and flowers. You can use hearts, stars, circles, whatever you want, just 2 of any shape. And flowers, I am counting as a shape. So you might not, but I am. And then last but not least, tear at least one of the papers on your layout. So you can see here that I did tear that pink paper, and now I'm gluing down that photo of my niece. She's just so adorable. I can't get over how cute she looks in these photos. So this was her birthday party. My sister-in-law went all out for her first birthday. It was so cute to get these photos, and I wish I could have been there. It looked like they had so much fun. So now I'm just going to glue down this photo mat, and then I will move on to embellishing. I am going to use some of the embellishments, the sticker sheet from the main kit, and then the puffy stickers and the what are they, enamel heart stickers from the upgrade kit. So I am coming up on the end of the video. Make sure you come on over to the Scrapbooking Store's Facebook group. I will leave links below so that you can check out my challenge and enter to win. You will get some goodies from the Scrapbooking Store. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.